My dear child, I promise you, I will bring back everything you thought was gone forever. I've watched your silent battles, your hidden tears, and the nights when you whispered, "I can't take this anymore." But even then, I was near. You didn't lose those things in vain. I saw every moment, and I held onto every broken piece of your heart. Even when you felt forgotten, I never looked away. Even when you were shattered, I was planning your restoration. You've been through more than most will ever understand, but that pain has not gone to waste. I'm the God who restores, not partially but fully. I will return your joy, rebuild your hope, and revive the parts of you that felt numb and lifeless. What you thought was over is just beginning. I will restore the love you lost, the peace that was stolen, the opportunities that slipped away. Nothing is beyond my power. I don't need years to fix what was damaged. I only need your trust. Give me your heart again and watch what I can do. You feel tired, drained, maybe even forgotten. But let me assure you, I am moving even now. The silence wasn't my absence, it was preparation. What you couldn't see was that I was aligning everything for the right time. And now, that time is drawing near. Your story isn't finished, it's about to shift into something beautiful. You will smile again, not because you forced it, but because I've healed you. You will laugh without pain hiding behind it. You will walk forward with strength, not fear. And it's not because you did it alone. It's because I carried you through. Hold on, my beloved. Don't lose hope now. The very things that crushed you will be the reason you rise stronger. I am restoring relationships. I am reviving your dreams. I am replacing sorrow with joy. And it will come faster than you think. Don't be surprised when doors open, when prayers get answered, and when everything changes, because I am the one doing it for you. Let go of the past, let go of regret, let go of the belief that it's too late. I'm writing a new chapter, and this time it will be filled with peace, purpose, and overflowing blessings. So breathe, my precious one. I've got you. I always did. I'm rebuilding your life piece by piece, and what's coming will be better than what you lost. If this message touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone else you love. Restoration is not only for you, it's coming for your family, your home, and your future. Believe it, receive it, because I am restoring everything and more. Amen.